Hello everybody, I'm here at the Village Hotel Cheadle just prior to tribute night tonight, the 14th of September 2024, and I'm here with Steve and Tommy who are in their own club rooms. I'm in club room 414 and well, I'm about to start thinking about getting showered and changed and everything. So I thought I'd do a quick room tour, and I thought I'd just show you. So let's have an overview of the room. So we've got a settee there, big bed. That's very, very, very comfortable. Plenty of pillows and what have you. USB at the side of the bed. There we go. Another one over there. Nice big window, nice big light, tea and coffee making, huge TV, nice big mirror, and then of course we've got the bathroom. So look at the size of that shower. Oh my word, that is gonna be good. Plenty of fluffy towels, absolutely fantastic. So I thought I'd just do a quick video and we'll see when we see you.